Welcome back, viewers. Our focus remains on tracking the big stories. Most major stock indexes are in the red as the US President Donald Trump shows no signs of easing up on his global trade war. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 349.26 points or 0.91% to 37,965.60. The S&P 500 dropped 11.83 points or 0.23% to 5,062.25. However, the NASDAQ composite rose 15.48 points or 0.110% to over 15,000. European shares have also slumped, with the pan-European stock 600 dropping 4.5 and closing at its lowest since January 2024. UK's FTSE has crashed over 5%. Germany's DAX index also tanked nearly 6% and France's SAX slumped 4.78%. That's 5% nearly. All right, viewers, joining me right now is Yogendra Kapoor, who is a senior economist at this point of time on the broadcast. Appreciate you joining me this morning. Now, sir, Indian stock markets had opened with gains and Sensex is also up by 111 points given at this point. But when we talk about the global market, a lot of slump has been witnessed. How do you react to this? What are your first thoughts on how the global market is reacting to the changing dynamics and the reciprocal tariffs announcement that has now created a furore and also instability in the fact that the global markets are reeling from?
Right. You see, first of all, if we look at the global markets, I would say that definitely there is something which one says that if
All right, Akash Jindal, my another guest, is also joining me live while we connect with Mr. Kapoor in just a bit. Mr. Jindal, how the markets have reacted after the trade and the tariff announcement is the big story that we are tracking. And if we talk about the global markets and how they are in fact reacting to the change in the global trade war, it is in fact important to understand what is causing and how do you look forward to this change in the dynamics happening and what message does it send for the investors and the traders which